Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So many of you have been asking me to create this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to get free coins in FC Mobile. This is working right now in 2026 using an FC Mobile redeem code that you can grab, and it's going to supply you with 1 million free coins. There is also a code for FC Mobile 26 that's going to supply you with gems and points as well, so you can select which one you want. And I was searching a long time on YouTube, watching videos, as well as searching on Google, and I've managed to find probably the best redeem codes for FC Mobile that you can grab right now and redeem in your game, and or on the website here in the redeem code field, and it's going to supply you with free coins in FC Mobile. So before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. I recommend you use the mobile that you play FC Mobile on, and you've got to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this into your mobile phone internet browser, Cold Coupons, and this is an awesome website, guys. They have codes for not only mobile games but pretty much every video game you can imagine. So what you're going to want to do to simplify the process of finding the FC Mobile page is just use the search bar, and you're looking for this page, EA Sports FC Mobile. Now there are a couple of verified working redeem codes, so go ahead, scroll down. As I mentioned, you can get a code for free points and gems, and this is the code that I'm focusing on for this tutorial, guys. This is an FC Mobile redeem code that's going to get you 1 million free coins. So this is the easiest method to get free coins in FC Mobile, because this does only take a few minutes of your time, and it is going to save you a bunch of money, because yeah, these are pretty expensive if you used to purchase this amount. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your FC Mobile 26 redeem code. This is because these are limited codes, and considering what they give you, it does prevent people from stealing all of the codes. So you can only do this once to get 1 million free FC Mobile coins. So click on Get Full Code, and it's going to bring you to a new screen here. This tells you what to do to unlock your code. As you can see, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Cold Coupons. And these offers are completely free, and they're simple things like installing and opening mobile applications. It is just very important, guys, that you read the text for each one and follow the instructions for them. So if you do 2 of these, it will automatically unlock your FC Mobile redeem code, so it will redirect you back to this page, and you can grab your code, redeem it, and that is how to get free coins in FC Mobile, guys. Super simple. You just got to go to Cold Coupons, and then once you reach the website, search for the EA Sports FC Mobile codes page and select which code you want. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe for more. Peace out.